Welcome to a space where business owners pause, reflect, and design the next chapter of their growth. We are inviting a select group of business owners for a powerful, immersive residential program, Business by Design. This invite-only workshop will guide you to explore your business deeply, understand your current state, envision your business version 2.0, and align personal clarity with business growth. Led by Dr. Samir Parekh, Dr. Anshul Dhingra, and Virendra Rathore, three expert facilitators bringing decades of experience in business strategy, leadership, transformation, and execution. The residential program includes accommodation, meals, sessions, and a complete learning experience, all designed to make your journey focused and transformational. Together, our facilitators provide a rare combination of business strategy, leadership depth, inner reflection, and practical execution, helping you redesign both your business and yourself. Business by Design, a residential journey to pause, reflect, and create your next level of business and personal growth. Join us. Your next chapter awaits. Reserve your seat today. Space is limited for deeper learning, reflection, and personal attention.